Russia has posed existential threat to its neighbors forever. There are so many neighbors you have never heard of because they've disappeared from the pages of history, courtesy of the Russians. Let's go to the medieval period, where Russia starts out as the princely state of Muscovy, Moscow. Well, it wipes out the other princely states. There was Novgorod the Great. Was the more progressive place. They wiped that place out. Pskov, Rostov, Tver, there are a lot of other places. And then later they're eliminating the khanates of Central Asia. These are states. It's a different way of organizing yourself. But the Khanate of Crimea, Kazan, Astrakhan, Kokon, Khiva, Bokhara, they get rid of all of it. And then there's been this repeated vivisecting of European neighbors, Ukraine, Poland, Lithuania, Sweden, and Finland, of taking their territory one bite at a time. And you can see it going on today. And the Russians just don't see it, that if you do this to other people, this is why at the end of the Cold War, everyone is stampeding into NATO. It's not some conspiracy. It's just what the Russians have done to them. And now I'm going to illustrate Poland's fate to show what happens when you're surrounded by rapacious continental empires. 3 partitions of Poland in the 18th century. This is when Prussia, Austria, and Russia are taking things. The Russians say, but we didn't take Polish territory. They're taking the Polish Empire. It's a technicality. If you wonder why Poles cannot stand Russians, it would be this, and it would also be the genocide-laced occupation of Poland that went on for several generations after World War II. And part of that, Yalta, again, the Russians insisted on moving Poland 200 kilometers to the west. That is not the normal thing to do to a country. So it's deep into German territory, so Russia can go eat a big part of Poland. Then Russia decides it's going to cleanse the whole place, ethnically cleanse. So Germans are going to live in Germany, Poles are going to live in Poland, Ukrainian are going to live in Ukraine, and millions of people, this is a war-devastated Europe where there's no way to take care of refugees, are being sent hither and yon, and lots of them are dying. And for the first time in their histories, Czechoslovakia, Germany, Hungary, Poland, Ukraine, they become ethnically homogeneous states. And then Poland, Hungary, and Czechoslovakia require Russian troops to hang on to some of their current gains. So a lot of things go on here. If you compare to what the West is doing in the United States has the Marshall Plan, you've heard of it, where the United States is pouring aid into our Western allies to restore them after the war. Well, this is what Russia's doing. They've won the war, so their troops are there, but they never take their troops home. Then they're busy running coups. Then they're busy shooting anyone who disagrees with them, or they send them to labor camps, whatever they're going to do. And then they redistribute every form of wealth there is, either through nationalization or collectivization, right? And they're imposing this really non-functioning economic model on these people. It's called communism. It doesn't work.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can watch the full episode here and subscribe for more clips. Thanks.